Hello friends, this is Neha and once again I welcome you all to my YouTube channel about technology. In our today's video tutorial, we'll be discussing an important system program, compiler, that we use for language translation. We'll be discussing why do we actually need this compiler, what is use of it, what function does it perform. So without further delay, let's get started. Now, whenever we talk to someone casually or officially or in any sense, we need a language to communicate or convey what we are trying to say. The most common language that we use is English. Now, if we want a computer to perform certain function, we write a program in a high-level language. This high-level language is close to English. When we provide this program to the computer, it doesn't understand this program. Do you know why? Because computer doesn't understand English. Then, what language does computer understands? The answer is computer can understand machine language, that is, a binary language in zeros and ones. But now, we don't understand binary language, so we need a tool that can convey computer what we want it to perform. So this is how we came up with an idea of a language translator, that is a compiler. Now, we can create a program in high-level language and provide it to compiler. Compiler will then convert this high-level language into machine-level language and provide it to computer. Now, computer will understand this machine language and will perform the desired action. Now, understanding compiler in general, let us get into its detail. Now, as I said earlier, compiler is a language translator, so it intakes source program and convert it into target program. While translation, it also identifies error in the source program if any present. Now, this target program can either be a machine language program or it can be a programming language program. If we talk about the working of compiler, the source program is passed through multiple phases before it generates the target program. These phases are lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generator, code optimizer, and code generator. The code generator phase generates the target program. However, to manage and control the translation, we have symbol table manager and error handler. Now, if we talk about the lexical analyzer, it intakes the input stream from the source program, scans it, and eliminates non-token elements from it, such as eliminating comments, eliminating white spaces, etc. Further, it performs lexical analysis on the stream and generate tokens. Now, the lexical analyzer produces tokens on the request of syntax analyzer. The syntax analyzer generates getNextToken command and send it to lexical analyzer. As soon as token is generated, lexical analyzer send that token to syntax analyzer for parsing. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. Suppose a lexical analyzer read this input stream character by character and generate these tokens such as printf, which is a keyword, open parenthesis, which is a special character, a literal, a separator, identifier, a special character again, and a separator again. I have explained the process of tokenization in one of my video lecture, that is, what is lexical analysis. I have also provided the link for the same in the description below. Now the syntax analyzer groups these tokens into a parse tree and verify if there is any syntactical error in these tokens or not. Semantic analysis performs certain check on these tokens to identify whether they collectively make a meaning or not. It also performs certain type checking that ensure that for every operator there is an operand that are allowed by the source language. Next is intermediate code generator. After source code is analyzed syntactically and semantically, the next step is to generate intermediate code of the source program. This intermediate code is then optimized by the code optimizer so that generated target program can execute faster. Further, the code generator generates relocatable machine code or an assembly code that is equivalent to source program. Symbol table is also a part of compiler which compiler uses to maintain record of each entity present in the program and the data associated with it. The error handler deals with the error present in the source program. Now let us discuss the types of compiler. Single pass compiler is one that can generate target code in one single scan. Two pass compiler scan the source code twice to generate the target program. The multipass compiler scan the source code multiple times to generate the target program. So friend, this is all about compiler. If you like this video, please share this with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel about technology. Keep checking the channel for further updates and put your comment and queries in the section below. We'll be back again soon with a new video. Till then, take a good care of yourself.